This Chevrolet Silverado 1500 has about 7,000 miles on the odometer. That means it's reliable, sturdy, and ready to hit the road. It has a lot to offer as well. Features such as remote start, keyless entry, heated seats, steering wheel controls, a rear view camera, and a hands-free Bluetooth integration system. And this vehicle has traction control and braking assistance. This vehicle even has Chevrolet's MyLink system. Come on down today. Try it before you buy it with our free 48-hour test drive. And once you buy it, you won't regret it. In fact, this vehicle is ready for you. You can come on down today and try it before you buy it.